Welcome back, YouTube fans. Today I'm working further on the Glasstream 18. I want to go over putting in the V6 donor Outdrive into the Glasstream boat in place of the one that came with the 4-cylinder. Hope you enjoy the episode, and thanks for watching. I abandoned the Outdrive that came with the 4-cylinder engine. Most of this was poorly maintained, and we were putting in the Outdrive that came with the V6. Any number of reasons. One is that the gear ratio is different between the 4-cylinder and the V6. We started out with the hull being open with just the keyhole cutout. We coated that with resin to seal the wood. Then we put, after cleaning the outside, we put in the outside piece of the Outdrive with new bolts. With the Outdrive in place on the outside of the boat, two of us got together and we placed the inside part of the Outdrive, putting on the nuts and basically clamping the Outdrive assembly to the hull. With the transom assembly mounted to the boat, next thing is we hung the upper gear housing on the transom and started adding the hydraulic cylinders. And of course, eventually, although it's not shown in this, we moved on and installed the lower housing after we changed the water pump. That about completes our process for putting the V6 Outdrive, swapping it from the old Searay onto the Glasstream. I hope you enjoyed the episode. Just kind of a little quickie here, but thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe. Thank you.